In Gus Classic, navigate to the Scholarship System menu. In the Scholarship System window, notice that there are 2 years in which to populate and award scholarships. Choose the correct year and select Scholarship Authorized. All scholarship names and number codes are listed. Click the radio button next to the scholarship to be awarded. Selecting the Scholarship Info button at the bottom of the screen will take you to the scholarship data page listing payments, receipts, balance, and contact information. At the bottom of this screen, a listing of requirements and endowment summary pertaining to the particular scholarship are listed. Close attention to this portion of the information page is advised. A link to applicants pertaining to a particular scholarship is located at the bottom of this screen. Select the applicants for the scholarship button. The applicant listing will open. These screens can be sorted by clicking on the column names at the top of each listing. Once a student is chosen, click on the ID number to the left of the student's name. Scholarships that have already been awarded to the chosen student will be listed on the screen. Enter the scholarship amount for the appropriate semesters. Make sure the amount award matches the semester totals. Once amounts have been entered, scroll to the bottom of the screen and select Award Scholarship.